Model, 2011 Vauxhall Vivaro Sportive 2.0Cdti, 115 PS, long wheelbase, 2.9T Motd, ready to work, very presentable. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 185922. MOT, the 7th of April 2025. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhpg. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox changes gear well and pulls in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, part service history, EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.